This Bio 181 Chapter 9 video on cell signaling is talking about specific classes of enzymes that are involved in signal transduction pathways that are called kinases and phosphatases. So kinases add phosphates. So remember, phosphate is PO4 2 minus. This was a functional group. These are high energy groups, right? So when you add a phosphate functional group to a molecule, it basically energizes it and allows it to bring energy to a reaction. It can sometimes power a reaction. In general, phosphorylation, so just down here at the bottom. So phosphorylation, if you remember, is just to add a phosphate group. Phosphate group. So the example that we have gone over in this class is the phosphorylation of adenosine diphosphate, or ADP. You have two phosphates. You add another phosphate to it, phosphate group, and it often has this subscript of an I, which just means it's inorganic phosphate, doesn't have carbon in it. And then you get adenosine triphosphate, ATP. So this was the whole purpose, or is the whole purpose of cellular respiration, is to generate ATP. And this process is an example of phosphorylation. So you're adding a phosphate group to a relatively low energy molecule. This phosphate group has a lot of energy. Now you have a high energy molecule. And this molecule is then going to be used to do work, okay, in the cell. So in general, that is phosphorylation. Kinase is the name of a class of enzymes that phosphorylate. So kinases are going to add a phosphate, okay? The opposite of that, if we happen to want to go the opposite direction, okay, then that class would be called phosphatases. Phosphatase. Okay, ASE on the end means it's an enzyme. So that's going to remove a phosphate group, and it's going to deactivate that molecule. All right, that's it.